Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad Edge. Hopefully you are will fine. Today we are going to solve a very interesting algebraic equation which is looking like a very complex equation, but we will solve it very easily with the help of an very interesting method. So stay with us till the end to enjoy this video. So let's start the solution. From this we can see that there are powers, four squares are involved in this equation. So if we multiply 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, it is equal to 16. It means that this equation has 16 number of roots. And but remember one thing, that we have to find only the values of x which are real in nature. So we will solve this for only the real valued roots. So let's start the solution. In this solution we will take square root step by step on both sides to evaluate to eliminate the square, and then find the final solution. And remember one thing, that in this solution any term which is less than 0, any term less than 0 is not acceptable in this solution, because we are going to take square root on both sides repeatedly. And that's why if any root appears which is less than 0, and after taking square root it will become complex, because it will give complex solution. So that's why any term which is less than 0 is not acceptable, because it will give us a complex root on taking square. So let's start the solution keeping these two things in mind. So taking square root on both sides, we will get square root of x square minus 1 square minus 2 square minus 3 square is equal to plus minus square root of 4. Now this square will cancel out with this square root, and we will get x square minus 1 square minus 2 square minus 3 is equal to plus minus 2. And from this we can write it as x square minus 1 square minus 2 square is equal to plus minus 2 plus 3. Taking this minus 3 towards the right hand side, we get this. And from this we can conclude that x square minus 1 square minus 2 whole square is equal. From this, if we write these terms separately, then it is 3 minus 2 is 1, or 2 plus 3 is 5. So there are two possible values of solution. Now it is time to eliminate the other square. For this we will take square root on both sides. So taking square root on both sides again, and in this way we will eliminate this square root, and left hand side will become, after taking square root, x square minus 1 square minus 2 is equal to, this will become plus minus square root of 1, or this will become plus minus square root of 5. So after taking square root on both sides we get this, and now we can write it as x square minus 1 square minus 2 is equal to, square root of 1 is 1. So from this we can write it as plus 1 minus 1, or from this we can write it as plus square root of 5, or minus square root of 5. So these are the possible values after taking square root. These are the four roots, and now we will take this minus 2 towards the right hand side, and we will get x square minus 1 square is equal to, this minus 2 will become plus 2 on the left hand side, on the right hand side, and we will get minus 2 plus 1 is 3, or minus plus 2 minus 1 is 1, or 2 plus square root of 5, or 2 minus square root of 5. Now, as in the start we state that no root less than 0 is acceptable. From this we can see that the square root of 5 is greater than 2. This square root of 5 is greater than 2. That's why the term square root of 5, 2 minus square root of 5 is less than 0. And as it is less than 0, when we will take another square root, it will become complex. So this is rejected. This solution is rejected. We reject it as it is less than 0. It is rejected. And from this, after rejecting this term, we can write it as x square minus 1 square is equal to uh, 1, this one, or 3, or 2 plus square root of 5. So we remain with these three roots, and now it is time to eliminate this square root, this square. For this we will take square root again, and we will get, so taking square root again on both sides, and we will get, after taking square root, this square will again eliminate, and on the left hand side we will get x square minus 1 is equal to, and this will become plus minus square root of 1, or this will become plus minus square root of 3, or this will become plus minus square root of 2 plus square root of 5. So after taking square root on both sides, this square eliminated, and on the right hand side we get these answers. Now we can write it separately as x square minus 1 is equal to, so we will write these terms as square root of 1 is 1, so we get from this 1 or minus 1, and from this we get square root of 3 or square root of minus 3 square root, and from this we get square root of 2 plus square root of 5, or minus square root of 2 plus square root of 5. Now taking this minus 1 towards the right hand side, we will get x square is equal to, this minus 1 will become plus 1 on the right hand side, and we will get 1 plus 1 is 2, or minus 1 plus 1 will become 0, and 1 plus square root of 3, and from this we get 1 minus square root of 3, and from this we get 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 5, and from this we get 1 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 5. So these are the values we obtain after taking this minus 1 toward the right hand side. Now we will again analyze these roots, and we can see that this, from this 1 minus square root of 3 is less than 0. 1 minus square root of 3 is less than 0, as square root of 3 is greater than 1, so it is less than 0. Square root of 3 is greater than 1, so this term is less than 0. And from this it is also, we can see that the term 2 plus square root of 5 whole square root is greater than 1, and that's why this whole term will be 1 minus 2 plus square root of 5. This term will be less than 0. So these two terms are again appears which are less than 0, and when we take the another and final square root to find the value of x, these two terms will gives us a complex answer which is not acceptable. So these two terms are rejected here, and it is also rejected. Now the remaining terms are, and we can rewrite it as with the remaining terms, x square is equal to this 2 or 0 or 1 plus square root of 3 or this 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 5. So after rejecting the terms which are less than 0, we get these terms, and now it is time to eliminate the final square on the left hand side, and we will take square root finally again. So when we will take square root on both sides, this square we again eliminate, and on the left hand side we get x is equal to plus minus square root of 2, or the square root of 0 is 0, it remain as it is, or from this we will get plus minus square root of 1 plus square root of 3, and from this we will get square root of 1 plus 2 plus square root of 5 and square root plus minus. So guys, this is the final solution of this given equation, and there are the 7 number of real valued roots. As in the start we said that the total number of roots of this given equation may be 16, but we have to find only real valued roots, because in the start we are given with the condition that x belongs to R. So we get the 7 real valued roots of this equation. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.